Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's do a quick checklist, you guys, before we get started. All right, first of all, are you subscribed to this channel? Did you hit the notification? All right, do you like the video? If you do, hit the like button down below, and then if you want to leave a comment, I would be appreciative, you guys. So now, if you are interested in this unit that I have on and you want to know more, stay tuned. So I got this unit from Wig Types, and the brand is Janet Collection, and it is the Natural Me Lace Wig. It's a natural hairline, natural yaki texture. The color I got is 1B, and the style that I got is Zara. It comes in other colors besides 1B, so if you're interested in another color, you can go on Wig Types, click on Janet Collection, and check out all the other colors that they have for this particular unit. You guys, can I say this early, or is this too soon to say that I absolutely love it? I love this hair. I love this hair. Like, this is, woo, this is gorgeous. Okay, it mimics natural African-American hair. All right, the texture is yaki. I like the little curls, the little ringlets that are in the hair. Isn't that so cute? I like the fullness, but I don't think that it's too full for me, you know? And I like the fact that the hairline is just like literally there. Okay, I love the T-parting. So there's not lace everywhere. Do you understand what I mean? It's not like a lace frontal, and it's not necessarily like a lace closure. It's a T-part. It's a T-part lace. So again, it is easy to put on. This took me like 5 minutes. to put on, you guys. I like things that are simple. I like things that are minimal. I don't want to have to work for my styles anymore. I will leave all the details about this hair down below in the description bar. Janet Collection Wig Types did not send me this unit. I bought it with my own money, so I cannot remember exactly how much I paid for it. I will leave the link down to this unit down below, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and click on the link. The fact that I can wear it as a side part as well, because sometimes I'm not a middle part type of person. I feel like, you know, I'm more like of a side part type of person. Let me show you the back. Now, is it big head friendly? I have a small head. This is secure. It's not super tight on me. I know I can make it tighter by adjusting the adjustable straps, but it's not super tight on me. It's sitting comfortably, so I don't know if it's big head friendly. I know it's not tight, but I have a small head and no hair. Small head, no hair. I'm sorry. Another pro, you guys, is the hairline color matches my skin color perfectly. Literally, like, it matches my hair color perfectly. Another pro is that I can switch it to the side. I like the ringlets, I like the curls, I like the texture. I love all of it. I love this hair. I really don't think I have any cons. If there is a con, I think the only con will probably be the price. I want it to be cheaper, of course. But other than that, it's a win-win. Look at it. I'm not really gonna comb this unit because it's synthetic. If I didn't explain that before, it's definitely a synthetic wig, so I'm not gonna comb through it. So I don't think it's going to shed, honestly, and I'm assuming over time it will start tangling, but you know, if you don't mess with it, I think it won't. You know, it's something I really think I could just literally just plop it on and go. I'm always talking about a plop on and go unit, and this is one of them, definitely. So I want you guys to check this out. All right, let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in another video. All right, take care. Bye.